Thank you for purchasing your unique Otterly Amazing Throne Kit from Imaflanker Industries. Our first step is to check that you have all the components you need to make your throne kit. First, make sure you have your Otterly Amazing and Unique building blocks and otter module. We've also included an optional module of knowledge in the kit. Make sure you keep this safe. Right, let's start unpacking our unique construction blocks. First, carefully unpack your totally not Irn Bru sturdy construction blocks. We're going to open the pack and ensure that we have a full set of 24 unique construction blocks. Note the unique weighting and interlocking design to ensure a high stability construction. Now we've checked we've got all of our components, please refer to your paper instructions in your DMs. We'll run through them here too. First, we're going to take each construction block row by row. First, place 4 construction blocks side by side. Next, build a second layer of exactly the same using the sturdy interlocking construction blocks. For our third layer, we're going to add 2 construction blocks centered on the rows below. And now finally, for our fourth layer, we'll add 2 further construction blocks, one on top of the other in the center 2 columns. This completes our first back row. For the middle row, we're going to place a further 4 sturdy construction blocks across the base in line with the previous row. Then place 1 construction block each on the right and left hand side of the row we've just placed. And now finally, we're going to place the final row. 4 further construction blocks placed in front of the existing 2 rows. Now finally add 1 further construction block. These should be your last 2 on either side of the row you've just placed. As you can see, we now have our throne construction ready for the next stage. As you can tell, these are totally not cans of beverage, but a high quality building kit. Next, take your otter module. Unpack the otter module carefully. Unpack your otter module and place it in the center of your throne kit. You'll also need to, at this point, unpack any included knowledge module. Your note, your knowledge module may vary, and then place it in front of your throne. Perfect. Now you have the perfectly constructed throne. Next, onto the photos. As with all the coolest new toys, the construction block's joy can be shared with others on social media. First, find a willing friend. Then, ask them to take out their mobile communications device. And then snap a photo of you looking majestic on your throne. You can now share this picture to social media. Once you've got this step complete, you may also find some refreshment modules in the kit, along with optional condiments and accessories for your beverage. Beverages are also included in the kit. Your condiments may vary from kit to kit. Then sit back and enjoy. Mayonnaise is optional in tea.